Hey guys, if your cooker is flashing and is like beeping or something like that, the one thing that you can try to do to fix this issue is like super simple. You can have the cooker, and what you want to do is just like completely reset it. So unplug it from the outlet. Where you're gonna unplug it from the outlet, you want to unplug it also the cooker itself. So you're gonna have the cable right here. So take it out, take it from the wall, from the outlet. Wait, maybe I don't know, 10-15 minutes, and then you just want to plug it back in. And this is how you're gonna fix it if it's flashing, and how we can actually fix this issue. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.